alaikum kids. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine. Children, this is your phonic reader 2. Now open the page number 14. Now let's start the reading. A P-I-N pin, I-N in, a L-I-P lip, a pin in a lip. Read it again. A P-I-N pin, I-N in, a L-I-P lip, a pin in a lip. Now read the next line. IT it, IS is, a BIG big, WIG wig. It is a big wig. Read it again. IT it, IS is, a BIG big, WIG wig. It is a big wig. IT it, IS is, MY my, BIB bib. It is my bib. Now read it again. IT it, IS is, MY my, BIB bib. It is my bib. And the next line is MY my, WIG wig. IS is, BIG big. My big is big. Now read it again. MY my, WIG wig. IS is, BIG big. My wig is big. Children, read this page at home again and again with the guidance of your parents. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.